I'm Daisy, I'm 16 and I'm a young leader in the Denbighshire Youth Service. I started coming to youth clubs in Denby since I was in year 6. I've never stopped coming, it's always been really consistent. When COVID started coming to an end, I was with a group of friends in the community. Local youth workers invited us back to the youth club sessions and we really wanted to go back because we just missed being able to hang out in a group in a safe place. Then we started to develop these youth voice sessions and things to help us get our ideas across. Through different youth workers, I sort of discovered that I'd once taken interest in youth work and experience it. So I discovered the Young Leaders programme, where young people can volunteer in youth clubs, where you can help in sessions and just experience what happens in that sort of job. I've developed a lot of skills like communication and listening really. So this summer I'm going on my first residential youth club trip and I'm really looking forward to it because it'll give me an opportunity to act as a young leader outside of the building. It'll give me a sense of a different experience and how to deal and communicate with different sort of people. I think that youth work is really important to everyone really because it gives young people a different place to be able to talk about whatever they need to, and the relationship between a youth worker and a young person is far more different than when you find in a school or where in a more professional environment. There's just that friendliness and that sense of belonging. It's a lot more comfortable than what you'd find in another space.